Alright guys, so I just got this thing running the other day. Had it a couple months, bought it off a buddy. He was sideswiped and it sat at our work for like a year. Wouldn't start. So finally got it running. Now I have not looked at the damage yet, suspension wise. So I'm gonna take it over to my other little driveway I have where it's full cement. Jack it up, see what it looks like, take the wheel off. So I'll get back to you guys when I get it over there. Looks good. This one's got slight bend. Don't know if it's supposed to be like that. Kind of feel like it should be. The lower control arm looks good. If it's just the upper, that is not bad at all. Shock bent. This thing is on BC coilovers already. And honestly, I do not think that shock is bent. It looks pretty straight. I think I can get away with just doing an upper control arm. And I'll take it to my work. I'll work at a dealership. I'll do an alignment on it. And it should be golden. So if it's just that suspension link, that upper control arm, then I just gotta do door handle. This whole car is wrapped. I'm gonna cut a section of wrap out here so I don't gotta redo the whole quarter panel. I'm gonna pull this dent some more, fill it, and then I'm just gonna just patch in a piece of wrap. I don't plan on keeping this car. Just kind of a quick flip. I got it dirt cheap, so do that. Interior's good. I gotta throw a fender liner back in, throw this panel in because I kicked that dent out and it actually came out pretty good. Do oil change on it. Shouldn't really need too much. I plan on driving it around a little bit. I gotta swap wheels around. It's got the wide ones up front. He didn't care and he got these off another Jenny. He just threw these on. So I gotta swap those around. Should get new tires on these rims that are in the front. They're pretty bad. But these tires are good. These will be the front ones. But yeah, I'm excited. It's looking to be pretty decent. So I plan on making more videos with this car. I want to do a rebuild series on it. I think it'll do pretty good. I got to fix that exhaust. He backed into a curb. I'll probably just cut them here if I can. Otherwise I'll just take it off right there and just get rid of this and just pipe it and do like nice 2 like fat singles or something. So yeah, I want to do a rebuild videos with this car, so I think it'll be kind of fun. It's a nice car. It's a 3.8 liter V6. It's not the turboed 4-cylinder. Too bad it's automatic, but still a nice car. So I'm excited. Hope you guys are too. Hopefully you guys like it. So if you do, like and subscribe this, because I do want to make more videos. I'll be ordering that upper control arm soon in the next couple days, and then hopefully I can throw that on before it gets too cold. And I probably won't mess with any of this year. My Mazda truck will be stored for winter. Re-fiberglass all that. So you guys want to see more, make sure you like this video and subscribe.